A lot of real estate investors move really quickly. When they find the right deal, they have to take action quickly. Hey everyone, Justin Cooper here with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you're catching us on YouTube, thanks for seeing us. Give us a little thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. We're putting out awesome content every single week. So today we've got Chelsea with Associated Agents talking about insurance. So Chelsea, tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do.
I work with Associated Agents, and I've been there for about 3 years, but I've been in the industry for about 15 now. I specialize in personalized insurance and have been working with Pine Financial for the last 3 years with fix and flips as well.
And so we wanted to chat a little bit today about investors specifically, real estate investors and real estate investors doing fix and flips. Mm-hmm. Now, what I like to see and what you probably like to see is a very specific policy for fix and flip. So tell us a little bit about that. What would an investor doing a fix and flip look for in the right policy?
Well, it depends on what the investor is actually doing with the property. So there are landlord policies. Those are the ones that you would keep and rent out. There are builder's risk policies where you would scrape the building and then build from the ground up. And there are fix and flip properties, and those are basically keeping the structure of the building but updating the interior and exterior.
And so how much coverage should an investor get?
Okay, well, typically you want to stick with the replacement value of the structure itself and add in the reno costs, so we can help you determine what that replacement value would be. Basically, we start out with $200 per square foot and go up from there.
And when should the policy be purchased?
It's best to call me as early or call your broker as early as possible to get that policy quoted, because then they can use all the markets they have available. But if you do need it like that day or the day before, I can do that for you as well.
Awesome. So you guys can move really fast. A lot of real estate investors move really quickly. When they find the right deal, they have to take action quickly. And so you can move just as fast as them typically.
Yes.
Awesome. And then so when you're writing these vacant policies, how much does a policy like that cost?
Okay, with the vacant fix and flip properties, those typically run $1,000 annually for every $100,000 in coverage you put on them. So if you have a $350,000 policy, they're typically going to run about $3,500 for the year.
Awesome. And so how long would they need the policy for?
Typically, you want to keep the policy as long as you have it, just in case of any losses. There are markets out there that would charge you for a fully earned annual policy, but then there are also companies that would let you cancel early with a prorated refund.
Okay, so if you get a 1-year policy, but because you're trying to fix it and flip it and sell it as fast as you possibly can, if you sell the property in, say, 6 months, you can actually get some of that premium back.
Yes, most companies do allow you to do that. It just depends on which one you go with.
Great. And then so I hear a lot about landlord policies. Can a landlord policy work when the property is vacant?
So we want to write the policy as accurately and as correctly as possible with the right coverage. If we leave out the fact that it's vacant, the companies do usually find out and will let us know, and then you can jeopardize coverage and or getting canceled by the company. And
so if an investor has a fix and flip and they're looking to get the right insurance, how can they best get a hold of you?
We are on the internet and we're on Facebook, and hopefully there's some places on this video where you can find out some more information from us.
There will absolutely be some places in and around this video where they can get your contact info.
Cool. Okay.
And of course, if you need hard money, Pine Financial Group is always happy to help out. You can find us at pinefinancialgroup.com.